Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we are going to do some light copying today. Today's October 24th, 2019. As you can see right now, it's about 10:43 a.m. New York City time, which is about 7:43 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So we're gonna get this set up right away. We're gonna click on New, and then I'm gonna open a second tab. Normally during the job, most likely the website is gonna be sluggish or pretty slow, buggy, and then crash sometimes. So you wanna open multiple pages. So just in case one page got crashed, and you could jump to the next one right away. So we're gonna be back and then do the countdown. All right, so right now it's about 7:57 right now, or 10:57 New York City time. So let's go ahead and get ready. 7:58. All right, right now it's 7:59. We're gonna do within the 5-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there's a little bit lagging. Finally. Stupid credit card decline. Gonna add to cart again. I think the stupid bot is playing games, so. So it's taking a while to check out. See, there you go. Okay, I got that one. So yeah, if you do got the credit card decline, just don't panic. Not sure if this time's gonna give me a credit card decline. So it's taking a while to check out. So yeah, I got those two then. So it's cool. I think that's about it. I'm trying not to spend too much. Kind of going over my limit. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.